Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to add your spouse to a YNAB. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below. Once you click on the link, you will see a page like this. To proceed, click on Login. Now log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a drop-down arrow at the upper left part of the screen. Click on the drop-down arrow. On the drop-down list, you will see a section for Account. Under it is an option for YNAB Together. Click on YNAB Together. Here, click on Get Started. First, enter your first name. Then click on Next. Now on the first field, enter the first name of your spouse. On the second field, enter the email address. Also, select the budget you'd like to share with. After entering, click on Invite. The invitation has been sent and the recipient should be able to accept the invite for them to be added. That's how you add your spouse to a YNAB. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.